Say hello. Who's the big girl? Are you the big girl? You gonna give me some smiles? What are you doing? Show us your cute outfit. What are you doing? Say I'm a big girl? Are you a big girl? Yeah? Is a porky baby? Are you pork chop? Or are you turkey? What are you? Pork chop or turkey? Are you pork chop or turkey? There you go. Let's do some talking. Are you the big girl? Are you the big girl? Are you my big girl? Hey, Miles. Cheese, what are you doing?
Blowing underpants.
What?
Use the body.
Good. Hi, Arden. Are you a big girl? Hey. Hi. Nothing. Sit up. Ugh. Sit up like that. Say I'm a big girl. Say I'm a big girl. Whoa. Nothing. Hey. What happened? What are you upset about? Something's making you mad. What is it? You like your position? Hey. It's good talking. Can you give me a big smile? Nothing. You don't know what to think of this camera, do you?
I can try. I can hold it.
No.
Alright.
All right, let's put it on the computer and we'll send it to Grammy, okay?
I don't want to put it on the computer.
What's your sister doing? She's trying to fall off the sofa. Hi, Arden.
Wow, Jesus!